just found this trail back here. And I mean, it's pretty. I don't know where all this goes. It probably goes to the creek or to the river. Alright, I found this neat area right here. There's a couple little signs. But the best sign is, well, one, that little arch and the stick holding it down. But I really believe there's so many ticks, and I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. But this looks like a shelter or something right here. This stick goes all the way down and around. And then if you go in here, this is like the inside of it. This stick here goes all the way through it. And this would be the inside of it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect little shelter. Perfect. And really it's right off the road too. And it is neat. Got a little signs back in there. There's an arch. There's a structure over there. So, place to come. Well, just stumbled across this nice structure here. Look at that. That is crazy. And then you have the arch right there. This holding it down, going that way, going up. This is amazing. It looks like we're gonna have to get in here on another day. We have a lot to explore. This is nice.